the late Paleozoic era, a time of immense geological change as the continents converged to form the supercontinent of Pangaea.
As the continents slowly converged, they formed Pangaea. This massive collision consumed the shallow seas and
deep within these lush, humid forests, giant ferns tower over the landscape. It is here that early reptiles welcome to the wetlands, a place where the air hangs heavy and the local wildlife can grow to astonishing sizes.
Here, in the warm, shallow seas, life truly began to flourish. Observe the intricate trilobites.
In this lush, vibrant ecosystem, we see a delicate balance between the creatures of the land and the teeming life of the sea.
As the plumes rose higher over the Siberian plains, the true scale of the eruption became terrifyingly clear.
These colossal fissures unleashed a flood of basalt that would eventually cover millions of square miles. The smoke plume reached unprecedented levels today, turning the afternoon sky into an apocalyptic haze. The latest projections confirm a worst-case scenario. Ash clouds and toxic gases are now spreading globally. These emissions represent the largest release of carbon dioxide in the past decade, contributing significantly to atmospheric warming. As ocean temperatures rise dramatically, the delicate marine balance is disturbed. The vibrant colors fade.
The increase in acidity is stressing the coral, leading to a process known as bleaching. This turns the once colorful reef acid.
A sharp drop in oxygen is rapidly turning these waters murky. What was once a thriving ecosystem.
These are the devastating effects of the expanding dead zones. Millions of tuna suffocate as the oxygen levels drop to zero.
We transition now to the land, where forests begin to wither under the scorching heat. The relentless drought has turned this once mighty river into little more than a graveyard of mud and dust. The cracked earth stretches for miles.
The eruption triggered a devastating shift. The rain turned acidic, rapidly consuming.
We thought we were prepared for anything. We were wrong. The darkness consumed us, bringing with it a chaos we had never known. As the last vestiges of darkness disappeared, the temperatures spiked, unleashing an unprecedented wave of global warming.
Faced with vanishing food sources, these crocodilians, both alligator and crocodile, are locked in a desperate...
This is the harsh reality of the super drought. With no feed and temperatures soaring, the cattle have simply begun to drop.
This catastrophic event marked the only time in history that insects suffered a global mass extinction. The devastating reality of ecosystem collapse is unfolding globally. Vast stretches of land are turning. We are witnessing the irreversible loss of 90% of marine species and 70% of... This is the Great Silence, a world without color, without hope, stretching into an endless, empty horizon. This is what remains, a planet stripped bare, a monument to our consumption. We trade here, in the planet's last isolated refuges. Species like the snow leopard, the red panda, and the Iberian lynx continue their fight for survival. Spreading across the dead shoreline, these resilient microbial mats begin the vital process of reclaiming the toxic wasteland, 1 inch at a time. The concentration of CO2 has reached critical levels, heating our world beyond recognition. This is
The Atlantic meridional overtravelling circulation is slowing down, a critical tipping point. Deep below the surface, massive reservoirs of methane are thawing. As the gas escapes, it rises.
Rivers of molten rock carve paths through the volcanic landscape, a testament to the raw power of the Earth.
This was Earth's infancy, a violent ocean of magma. As the millennia passed in a rapid...
The recovery is slow, but inevitable. Life persists, pushing through the darkness towards the light.
The scorching sun demands adaptation. These geckos burrow deep to escape the midday heat, only to emerge.
The lush, misty environment of the late Triassic. Emerging from the ferns is the Marasuchus, a creature believed to be...
The oceans breathe again, A massive influx of oxygen paves the way for a spectacular
After millions of years, these ancient mariners emerge from the deep, reclaiming their place in the vibrant reefs.
Pranks. Witness the incredible resilience of nature. Over millions of years, this vibrant ecosystem slowly rebuilt itself.
The forest returns, reclaiming what was lost. These seed-bearing plants are the vanguards of a new age.
The supercontinent of Pangaea begins its slow, dramatic separation. Immense rifts form in the crust
As the volcanic activity calms, we see Earth's systems stabilize in real time. A powerful
The Triassic period dawns, a time of rebirth after the Great Extinction. Life, though sparse, is... When humanity fell, the reptiles inherited the Earth. This is the New Age, dominated by the core. When the dust settled, the Earth began anew. Not the world we knew, but something wilder, more transition to fossils being formed, preserving memories of lost worlds.
After millions of years, the truth is finally revealed. It wasn't the volcanoes, it was the asteroid.
If we follow this iridium spike through the reddish layers, the ash deposit clearly marks the major extinction event we theorized.
The spike in atmospheric CO2, shown here in purple, is mirrored precisely by the sharp rise in global temperatures. While ancient warming events occurred over millions of years, the current rate of change is drastically faster in it.
While today we marvel at the vibrant biodiversity of our planet, 250 million years ago, the Permian catastrophe.
From the suffocating blanket of modern smog to the apocalyptic skies of the deep past, the atmosphere has always shaped life on Earth.
The Permian extinction wiped out 90% of all life. But even here, life found a way to return.
Life always finds a way to recover. From the mighty elephant to the deepest coral reef, life finds a way. The grizzly and the jaguar remind us of nature's enduring strength. From the supercontinent of Pangaea, through the age of the dinosaurs and the great ice ages, to the world we know today.
Seen from here, she is blue and alive again. A living testament to what we can achieve together.
The Permian Extinction, a verhin, a warning from deep time.
The greatest silence has passed. Look around you. Life returns and resilient.